everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through some of the initial steps that we can do just to verify that both Windows machines and Chromebooks are ready to go for testing season. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our Chromebook is fully up to date. So once you get signed into the device, we're going to go ahead and go to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, click on where the time, Wi-Fi, and battery symbol is, and we're going to select Settings. A new window is going to open up. We're going to go over to the left-hand side now, scroll down, and click About Chrome OS. So once you select on this, there's going to be an option that says Check for Updates. Go ahead and click on that. We're going to make sure our Chromebook is fully up to date. It's going to give you what version number you have, all that good stuff, so that we can make sure that we are prepared as possible and that Chrome OS is ready to go. So another thing that you can do is to actually power wash the Chromebook if you notice you're having any weird issues. The key combination is going to be Control-Alt-Shift-R, and you just press and hold all those together, and then the Chromebook will ask you if you want to restart. Go ahead and restart, and then when it comes back on, it's going to say, do you want to power wash the device? You'll go ahead and click yes, power wash the device, let it go through its re-enrollment, and then you'll be back up and running and ready to go. So once you've verified that your Chromebook has been fully updated, power washed if necessary, we're going to go ahead and launch the DRC Insight application on your Chromebook or Windows computer. For this example, we're just going to click into DRC Beacon. And then from there, in the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see this little blue purplish check mark. So we're going to click on this. It's going to open up a new page, and we're going to put in the access code 7745. And you'll hit submit, and all this page is really going to help us determine if there's any weird issues happening with the Chromebook or the Windows computer. It's going to tell you here what might be the issue. As you can see, we have all green check marks, meaning that our testing environment on this computer is ready and set to go. So just to recap, number one, we're going to ensure the Chromebook is fully up to date. Number two, we're going to power wash the Chromebook if necessary using Control-Alt-Shift-R and following the steps on the screen. And number three, we're going to double check the DRC readiness check inside the application for any troubleshooting issues. If you have any other questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to the technology department, and we look forward to a successful testing season.